Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So today we're gonna react to Stray Kids' Thunderous music video. This is one of the most requested song that we have for Stray Kids from you guys. And man, so far from all of the songs of Stray Kids that we listen, all of the songs just hitting, man, just hitting. Even the pre-debut album, man, the mixtape. The yeah, man, that song is just keep on growing on me, man. Every time that I listen to it, especially when I when I was working out yesterday. Well, we have Thunderous. I mean, from the title itself, Thunderous. Ooh, I feel like this song is going to be fucking energetic because of the title, Thunderous. You know, without no further ado, man. Woo! Let's get it! Oh. 소리를 지르는 내가 창빈이란 더내 자리는 내가 참 더 태도는 폭포하게 되기를 폭주하는 기관총 몰아친 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리 구 Man, when the beat drop, I feel it in my soul, man. Sorry. 지르는 내가 창빈이란 더내 자리는 내가 참 더 태도는 폭포하게 되기를 폭주하는 기관총 몰아친 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 줍대 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리 Oh man, this guy look I'm sorry. This guy, I don't know his name yet, but I don't want to apologize, but he looks so beautiful, man. He looks so beautiful. He looks like a girl, man. What the hell? Like, look at this. This is fucking unfair, man. To be so good looking, good at singing, rapping, dancing. Come on. Dirty. Oh man, this fucking group, man, this fucking never ceases to amaze me. What the hell? Sorry, let's bring it back a little bit. Dirty. Okay, so are they talking about like is this a response for those people that they don't like their music? Is it? I'm sorry, and I didn't actually read the subtitle yet. I'm just enjoying the song. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go back. But I just wanna enjoy the song first. I'm sorry. That chorus is fucking fire, man. And also this guy, comment down below. What's the name of this guy, man? This guy looks so fucking beautiful. Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick? I don't ban you. 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양진. 발끝 조찬도 따라오지 못해 여기는 팬들. 들어봐. 질투가 정말 쪽으로 지워놓고 버려. By the way, what I like about them, man, is I'm sorry. Does he have like a black eye or something? Oh Oh no, no. So I don't know. Maybe it's just a makeup, but I want to say, look at like the routine or their choreography. Like they're doing a proper dancing, like an actual proper routine. Look at this. Like you can see this choreography with what's that? Oh man, the group that wins the America's Best Dance Crew after Jabwalkis, the Quest Crew. Quest Crew really loves doing like a I don't know what it's called, but it's like a complex, puzzle choreography. Like it involves all of the dancers to like do the formation and all of those things. They do it on their choreography, man. They dance in in the music video. Like look at this. This guy again. this I was trying to say, man. I know all of them is fucking like good looking, but this guy, like his face, definitely do a lead role in a K drama, man. Oh, I just speak the lyrics. They said here, freezing cold, but I know will burn forever. Like the contrast of freezing cold, but I know will burn forever. Oh, I got embarrassed. I thought the beat is gonna drop there. Oh man, so embarrassing myself. Oh, I'm dirty. The fuck is that? Sorry, daddy. Like the static of the. Sorry, daddy. Oh, that's so fucking cool. 날이면 날마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요. 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해. Final warning 당장 back up, press up, set up, break up. How about a man 퇴 소리꾼. Hey, hey. 소리꾼. Sorry, I'm dirty. Oh man. Fucking hell. Woo. I already expect that this is going to be like, like very energetic song based on the title, but it didn't. I'm not prepared. I am not prepared. But yeah, we're gonna go back from the start again. I just wanna. I know I still pause. As I already said that I'm just gonna listen to the song first, and then I'm gonna check the lyrics after that, because it seems like a lot of you, or there are not a lot, but there are a few of you guys are maybe getting annoyed of me like pausing too much. But that's just me, man. That's just me. Even my wife is getting angry with me by doing that. Every time that we watch movie, like if like something exciting is happening, I pause the the movie to yap or to react to it, even there's no camera. That's just me, man. That's just me. But yeah, I mean, so we're gonna go back because I feel like I have an idea about the meaning of the song, but I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. Go back.
소리를 지르는 내가 창빈이란 더내 자리는 내가 참 더 태그는 폭포하게 되기를 폭주하는 기관총 몰아친 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 줍대 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리 악당 무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져 소문날 분들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold I know you'll be forever 해보는 채도 난 여전히 알바를 내뱉지 퇴퇴퇴 소리꾼
King Hard, man.
퇴퇴퇴 소리꾼
Okay. So, basically, this is a song about those people. They're haters, basically, or the for those people that don't actually love or like the type of music that they release. I love reading your comments, guys. So, one of you guys commented the last time that we reacted to God's Menu that there are people that saying that their music is just noise. If I remember it correctly, is that why the title is Thunderous? Like, look at this. I have to say is Thunderous. Like Thunderous, like thunder is loud, man. Like with the thunder claps, it's loud, right? And it's like a response to those people that saying that their music is just noise and just loud. Like this is their response to it. Hey.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. This is definitely a response to those people.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty.
This guy's just so cool, man. This, Felix, you're just so cool, man.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty.
Riding on the clouds, man. Don't give a fuck about all of your comments about us. We're just riding in the clouds like a thunder. No, I mean the thunder's not riding in the clouds, but you know what I mean. Rumble, snap, crack, thunder. Like they're coming in as like a thunder. Like we don't give a fuck about what is your comment about us. We don't give a fuck if you don't like us. I mean we're coming in like a thunder, man.
Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules.
Keep on talking. That would make sense. Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules, man. We don't play by the rules. We don't play like we're not the same with everyone, on this industry. Like in this music industry, everyone is just the same, but we're different. We're not gonna lower the standard of our music just for you guys to like us. Man, we know that our music is fucking amazing, so why are we going to go down to the same level of other artists, something like that, like the other artists that you compare us to.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules. 그래 다 들었어 소리 이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라. Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick tick tick. I don't ban you, 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는.
Sorry.
Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick tick tick. I don't ban you, 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양심. 발끝조차도 tick tick. I don't ban you.
That's a fucking real. This is fucking real talk, man. Your attempt to look cool is just cute.
온몸에 번져 수많은 꾼들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold but I know we'll burn forever 해보라는 태도 느껴져 네 하나를 내뱉지 퇴 소리꾼 퇴 소리꾼 And I'm not sorry daddy 꾼들이 왔어요 꾼들이 왔어요
Hey.
날이면 날마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요 원래
They don't come every day, man. They don't come every day. Like the type of music, like Stray Kids. They don't come every day, man.
마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이
The Thunderous one have arrived.
왔어요
So basically, they say that we're one of a kind, man. We're one of a kind. You know.
원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해
If I don't like something, I talk back. Let's go, man.
화를 warning 당장 뺏겨 벌써 센쳐 벌써 하나는 내뱉지 퇴 소리꾼 소리꾼 sorry I'm dirty
So now I get it. Like why they're doing the like the spitting in the hands, like in a movie, like in a fighting scene. Usually the main character or the villain do that whenever they gonna start fighting back, right? That they spit on their hands and that they're to get ready to fight. So basically, that's what they're doing in here. This is the respond. Okay, they're fighting back.
sorry I'm dirty
Sorry, dirty. Oh man. Fucking hell, I have a new favorite song. What the hell? Let's fucking go, man. Alright, well again, that's Stray Kids Thunderous music video. Oh man. I have a new favorite song, man. I now have a new favorite. This is definitely gonna be added to that workout playlist, man. This is definitely, ooh, that beat drop, man, where you're doing your sets. That's gonna give you like a little bit of a boost or an energy to do another rep, man. God damn it. Drake is just fucking cold, man. He cold with it, man. Well, that is our reaction for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'm gonna listen to this song again. After this reaction, I'm gonna listen to the song again. Well, I hope you have a great day. See you on the next one. Peace.